You are on the winning path. You are determined. You are fearless. You are bold. And you are unstoppable. You have gone through many trials and many tribulations, and nothing or no one is going to stop you right now. You know, I feel for some of you, you may have had to leave a certain mindset behind. You are stepping into a more powerful, more confident version of you, an unapologetic version of you. Maybe before you were in the energy of trying to appease others, minimizing yourself. And because you are now taking a chance on yourself, because you have gained confidence, maybe it was a situation of you just thinking to yourself, what have I got to lose? Do these people even pay my bills? People are going to have an opinion of me anyway. You may have got yourself into that type of mindset. Some of you may have been doing affirmations in the mirror, is what I'm picking up. Or you just have this energy of, F it, I'm going to do it anyway. This could be in regards to sports. This could be in regards to launching a project. This could be in regards to anything. Like, you're just being so determined right now. And many people are quite shocked by this newfound version of you. This confident version of you. This independent, I should say, is what I want to say, version of you. You know, you've got this very laid back, sophisticated, cool approach, and you're doing things on your own terms. Like, some of you are distancing yourself from family. Maybe you may have felt like your family were quite toxic. To the outside world, your family may have appeared like, you were all close knit, supportive, but behind the scenes you may have felt very restrictive. You may have felt like your family were burdening you. You may have felt like your family dynamics was toxic. Everything that was put on display was all for show. Some of you've moved away. Some of you are getting therapy, or some of you will get therapy. But I feel like some of you have distanced yourself because you realize that, certain family members were hidden enemies, unfortunately, which left you feeling very brokenhearted. Maybe these family members may have, like I mentioned before, there's something about keeping up appearances, but there was a lack of emotional support. There was a lot of underhanded means going on behind the scenes that you didn't understand, but you felt like you needed to get away. There was no encouragement. You felt disempowered, and so you empowered yourself, and now you are on your way to your healing, because some of you are going through some pain that could feel quite inexplainable, or maybe you went through a certain period in your life which was extremely painful, and now you're breaking free from that. Now you are feeling more bold. Now you're feeling as though you're going to use that pain that you are experiencing and turn it into purpose. I feel like you are on the cusp of achieving something magnificent. I feel more so it's your independence. It's about you reclaiming back your power, because your power was stripped away from you, and you were in the 8 of Swords energy, feeling very trapped, feeling very restrictive. And you're fighting back now. You're fighting back energetically. And part of you fighting back is by removing yourself. You don't want to be in a 9 of Swords energy anymore. You don't want to be given to situations and people that don't want to meet you halfway. You're moving forward. You're creating boundaries. And some of you are literally moving home. Some of you have realized that some of the issues that were occurring in your life was because of your foundations, was because of your home, and you're moving away from it. You're not feeling binded by, we're family, we're blood related. You can connect with people that are not blood related and they act more like family than your actually family acts towards you. So you're leaving certain people out in the cold. They're feeling very shocked. How could they do this to me? How could they do this to us? You're connecting with your soul tribe and you're investing in yourself. And I feel like you're moving towards a time in your life, especially in August, because this is the Eight of Wands, and you know, August is in the 8th month, of possibly travel. I feel like you're moving away from a mindset. Many people may feel like you've changed, and yeah, you have. And because you're leveling up energetically, you're going to attract the abundance that you so rightly deserve, because some of you are working on something. I feel like you're working on yourself. You're mastering yourself, and your outlook is going to be so much different. You're working through your fears. Some of you have gone through, or you are unfortunately going through, some deep shadow work, but you will be blessed with many blessings. You know, it's necessary. I know it's easier said than done, but it is necessary. And you're shedding an old skin, and you are becoming reborn. Let's see what blessings are going to occur for you, butterflies. Let's see what blessings. I'm going to use another deck here. What blessings will occur for my butterflies, please, Spirit? Okay, so we've got financial abundance with the Wheel of Fortune. So some of you are going to gain a massive windfall. Some of you may play the lottery so you could win something. For others of you, I feel like you may travel. Some of you may, I don't know why I'm hearing getting married, because this is like a personal reading that I feel is, which is about you. But some of you may meet a future spouse if you decide to take a trip. There's something about taking a trip, and you may meet someone that you end up marrying, is what I'm picking up. Yeah, we've got Sagittarius energy again. Some of you are going to gain money to pay for some type of higher learning course, or some of you are going to gain some type of certificate in regards to a higher learning degree that you have mastered. So there's something about maybe getting a master's. Some of you may get a degree. There's a higher learning course that you're either going to do or that you have done, and you will gain certification in that area. Yes, you are becoming more bold, more outspoken, going towards your goals, stepping into some type of leadership role is what I'm picking up. Some of you are going to have a glow up. Some of you are going to become a leader. So that could include, there is going to be some type of pay rise for some of you, being recognized for your skills and talents and being out there. Yeah. Look, we've got the 7 of Pentacles. So this does indicate that you are going to be investing in your skills, in your talents, and it's going to actually pay off. Maybe someone in a position of power may want to take you under their wing, may want to mentor you, may want to help you, may want to invest in you and your career. Yeah, we've got the Devil card here. So someone in a position of power may actually want to support you, is what I'm picking up. Some of you are going to be in a position of power. What other blessings will you, yeah, we've got the 3 of Swords. So some of you are going to be getting over some type of heartbreak and pain, and I feel like you're going to be channeling that energy into yourself, into your work, moving away from people who are, I'm hearing, manipulative and untrustworthy. So not relying on others like you may have done so before, becoming more self-sufficient is what I'm picking up. For some of you, if you had issues in regards to your finances, this is indication that some of you are going to get a new job. Okay, you can get this new job between the months of August to December. And Sagittarius season is very important. But if you have been in a situation whereby you were not in a financial position that you wanted to be in, this is indication to say that that's going to change. Your finances are going to boom, is what I'm picking up. New love for some of you. New love. Or healing of a romantic relationship. Some of you are going to find new love as well. Yeah, we've got the Queen of Swords. Stepping into your Queen of Swords energy. Creating more boundaries. Maybe with siblings, maybe with neighbors is what I'm picking up. Also, there's the indication of you gaining some type of communication from someone that you wanted to hear from. This could be via social media, a phone call, something that's going to be, I'm hearing, worthwhile, or an important message will come through. You will receive an important message. It's what I'm picking up within the next week, maybe the next 9 days or 9 hours. Something that was stressing you out, right? It may have something to do with love. You will gain some type of information about this situation, right? We've got the 10 of cups. So this indicates that you will be celebrating. So if this information does come through, it indicates that you may heal some type of rift, maybe with family for some of you. And this indicates that you will find your soul tribe. Yeah, look, we've got the 4 of swords. So Spirit is inviting you to rest. And I feel like you will feel very rested after something pans out for the best. And it's because of your healing that you're doing in the background. Yeah, an important phone call. We've got the 8 of wands twice will be coming through. This could also include you gaining information or a message about getting keys to a new home. Is what I'm picking up. And something that didn't work out in the past, it wasn't supposed to be, because whatever that thing was that you was trying to go towards, you're going to see that it wasn't for you with the 8 of swords. Okay, it was putting you in a situation of feeling stressed, and when you look at the situation in hindsight, you'll realize that, you know, it was actually a blessing. Yeah, we've got the 4 of cups. So coming out of a period of depression, feeling unhappy, feeling unworthy, reconnecting and reuniting with a romantic partner, gaining information or a message from a romantic partner. If some of you are dating online, then you may feel like you met your match. Yeah, communication is going to come through. Some of you may embark on I'm hearing a healing, something to do with like a pilgrimage or something, or you may decide to take up some type of healing on your own. Some of you may see like a psychologist or something of that sort. 2 more, Spirit. Yeah, new love, or someone's going to come in with some type of romantic gesture. This is also indicating that you're going to find new love for yourself. And when you find love for yourself, there's certain things that you don't put up with. So this is about you creating boundaries, is what I'm picking up. Yeah, and investing in yourself and seeing the seeds that you planted growing beautifully. So that's what I have for you, butterflies. Keep blessed, and I'll speak to you soon.